Grand Rising. Grand Rising. Just wanted to go live here real quick. May this day bring you peace, abundance. I pray that this live, which is going to be brief, catch you guys, my Facebook friends and family, those who are connected with me. May this live grace your wall in your presence while you're in the best of health and spirit. Just enjoying my watermelon, earthing, and just setting my intention for today. This live is going to be brief. I just wanted to come on here as a strategic partner and ambassador of awareness, raising the awareness of collective group economics, funding, perpetual funding, and revenue ownership. And I just want, for those who see this live, that if you are into functional unity and collective group economics, because if you think about it, the next time, let's say you're at your place of worship, there's donations that's needed to be, there's fundraisers going on all the time, there's GoFundMe's being set up. As a strategic partner, I'm offering something that is needed, and it's more of a preventive way to protect you and your collective, whatever that may be. I know I'm saying a lot. I'm trying to work on that. But this live is just from the heart, and wanted to just simply give an invitation and raise the awareness of attaining perpetual funding for yourself, for your family, for your place of worship, your church, your mosque, your temple, your youth program, your nonprofit, whatever it is that you are seeking, that you would like to have perpetual funding for. I have a solution that I'm a part of. Like I said, I'm a strategic partner, and I found something that's actually working. It's working for me and other strategic partners that is with this global fintech peer-to-peer cooperative. All right, cooperative economics. We're able to scale simultaneously together, and we're able to win with 100% mutual benefit. So I'm just doing my part every day as a strategic partner and as an ambassador of awareness to invite you to be able to come and build your own strategic capital alliance. So if you're catching this live and you hear me and you see me, that I'm authentic and that it is real, I can show proof that it's working for me, and I can show, we can all, other strategic partners, we can show proof that it's working for us, and you actually see proof in our presentation that it works as advertised. It really works as advertised. And so I have to do my part and bring forth awareness. If you know, because sometimes, like, not sometimes, if you don't know what you don't know, really you don't know what you don't know. And so if you are made aware of something, and I was told about this, and I said, okay, I'm into collective group economics. I'm into functional unity on every level, providing solutions for myself, my family, and community as much as I can. I'm into being that strong pillar, that strong part, that person that's always bringing forth solution. I've always been that way. So when this was brought to me, I took a look at it, and I took action, and it is working. It is working. And so I'm excited, and I wanted to share this information. I'm going to continue to share this information. I'm going to continue to go live on my social media platforms, just to raise the awareness so that you can know, because you don't know what you don't know. So I'm willing to give my energy, a piece of myself, my heart and soul, to this mission, because I know that there's a need for it, because there's always a GoFundMe. Because right now, when you the digital wallet space, That digital wallet space is poised for exponential growth. Okay, and if you're looking at this live and you're holding your phone, I can guarantee you have Cash App, PayPal, Zelle or Venmo or Google Pay, and your banks are digital wallets as well. So the digital wallet space is poised for exponential growth. Okay, and but most people, everyone pretty much is in this space, this economy, as an end user and a consumer, and the revenue in this space is just phenomenal. The growth is projected to grow very high. You can do your due diligence on the revenue of the digital wallet space. That's your homework, okay? But what I am offering you as a strategic partner, what I and other strategic partners, we're offering you a chance to come see information that can put you in the right formation, that can put you and your family, your collective, your think tank. This project, this global peer-to-peer cooperative fintech platform puts us in the driver's seat, not just as end users and consumers. It puts us in the driver's seat. It puts us in the way of where we can be a prosumer and a revenue owner, and where we have 100% mutual benefit. And we can be you, your church, your mosque, your nonprofit, a youth program. It could be a chamber of commerce. You can be an alderman. You can get your questions answered here. Whatever it is that you want to fund, whatever is your passion, as long as it's for the betterment of humanity, this platform makes it a reality. So I'm your brother Shahid Ali, and I wanted to just give you guys that information. If you're open to see this information and you're ready to really provide a solution for yourself, your family, and community in one bundle, link with me, and I will do a one-on-one consultation with you and share that information with you and be willing to work with you. And I'm in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Beautiful Whitefish Bay. It's a beautiful rising. And if you need me to come speak with you, your think tank, your place of worship, whatever it is, or meet me somewhere, or I'm willing to work and campaign, because there's so much problems in the world, but we have to go to the eye of the storm where it's calm, and we have to be that beacon, we have to be that change, and we have to provide solutions. So you have to campaign for yourself, be that one that makes the change. And this information is everything. So I'm your brother Shahid Ali, just out here giving thanks and praise to the Most High, earthing and grounding, and drinking on my watermelon, and just giving thanks and praise that, for my passion to just be being me, wanting to provide solutions on every level. So, this information resonates with you, link with me today, and I'll make sure to that you get this information to you, and I'll make sure that you get all your questions answered. Peace, love, and light. Take care.